Hi friends, if you are using a 5G mobile and your network is getting stuck with 5G and 4G, but you want to use 5G while the signal might be little less, but it is not that you are not get your area is not getting a bit of 5G signal, then this video is for you. So how will you switch to only 5G mode, right? So look at this video. First you need to go to the dial, then you have to write star hash 4636 hash star. So there will be a developer mode will open, and then you will select the first option or the sim. If it is in the number one, then you have to select one or two. Then you have to go set preferred network type. Just click on it and put NR only. NR only means there will be 5G. So in above you can see the signal is now coming 5G plus plus. That means it is done and I will get only 5G signal. Even if it is 10% or 20% or 5% of 5G signal is coming, I will still get the 5G only. And if this hash sorry 4636 hash star is not getting open, then you have to first open the setting. So here is the setting, and you have to go about phone. You have to search. There might be some different options are there. You have to go in the developer. You have to make it a developer mode, right? So in my right, you can see no need, you are already in the developer. In my Poco user system, in this menu I have to click 7 times, then I will be, because I have already done that, that's why it is saying. If it is not done in your phone, you can search on chat gpt or google how to make your phone a developer mode. You might have to click in any other option, and if it is already in the developer mode, you need not to worry. You have to just put this star hash 4636 hash star and select these one. So once you going somewhere where only you are getting 4G signal, 5G signal is poor there, or not poor, I'm saying you are not getting. Even if you get 5% of 5G, you will get very good speed and connectivity, so no need to worry. And you can keep in any metro city in India, 5G is well available, but in any rural or corner you are going, then you can again select this set preferred network menu, and from the drop down you will select this one, NR, LT, GSM and WCDMA. So by selecting that, your network will automatically come which is a better network. If it is 4G is better, then 4G will come, and if 5G is better and adequate, then 5G will come. Like in my house I get 5G signal like 30%, and 70% is 4G, but in outside both are 100%. That's why always 5G is coming first, but in home automatically get 4G, but I don't get unlimited access of internet by 4G, so I need to convert it to 5G mode. So now I can access the 5G unlimited. Even if it is 5%, 10%, whatever signal will come, I will able to access 5G, use internet and everything. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it will give you some information and it might help you in some corner if you are staying where 5G is poor, but still you can get by using this menu and this option, and enabling this developer option, you can access this 5G only.